In my last video, I talked about how vital it is that you become your own best friend. How do you become your own best friend? By loving yourself. When you love yourself, it becomes easy for you to accept love from others and for others to love you. You will struggle to attract real love in your life if you have a low self-worth or if you believe that you don't deserve to be loved. To love yourself, you don't need to change the way you look or become thinner or smarter. You simply need to accept that you are lovable and believe that you are lovable, because you are lovable, and that is a fact. As a baby, you were lovable. You were adored by your parents. Friends and relatives came to look at you and carry you and fuss over you. You enjoyed their attention, and you were not worried about the shape of your ears or nose or how fat your cheeks and your thighs were. You start developing insecurities about your body from when you're about 5, around the time you start school. Children are adorable, but unfortunately, they can also be cruel. And when a bunch of kids pick on you at the playground and tease you for either your facial features or your weight or size or how you walk, it hurts. And that's when you start to develop insecurities about your body. To make matters worse, as a teenager in secondary school, you face a similar or even worse experience, which is then reinforced by your well-meaning auntie or cousin or siblings pointing out to you that you need to lose weight for your own good, or teasing you about your looks. The problem with having a low self-worth and finding it hard to love yourself is that you start looking for validation from others without even realizing it. You start depending on other people to make you feel lovable and good about yourself. It becomes an unmet need that you're relying on others to meet. You become a people pleaser, desperately feeding off someone else's attention to make yourself feel good and worthy. When you depend on someone else, or you give someone else the power to make you feel lovable and worthy about yourself, you're also giving them the power to take it away. For example, if you depend on having a boyfriend or a girlfriend to feel good about yourself, when they leave you, what happens? You go right back to feeling bad about yourself and insecure because you believe they left you for someone more beautiful or smarter or younger. The only person who can make you feel good about yourself is you. And the amazing thing is, the moment you fall in love with yourself and believe that you are lovable, other people will notice, because it radiates outwardly. Your self-worth and self-esteem will increase, and other people will start to find you more attractive. You will feel more confident and attract people who actually want to hang out with you instead of people who want to take advantage of you. Take good care of you and see you next week.